Hi everybody, in this 2-Minute Tuesday RV tip, wanted to talk to you about when you bring your coach into service. You'll usually meet with a service advisor and talk to them about your list of issues that you want handled. And in our recent experience, we ended up with about 5 pages worth of line items that we wanted checked. But what's important to do is actually talk to the technician who is going to be performing the work. And so what we did is we sat down with this paperwork and we went through each line item so that he had firsthand information on what the issue was, what you were experiencing, and if you have to demonstrate something to show them what's going on, it's a good opportunity to do so. And keep that dialogue open between you and the lead technician. It will really enhance your experience and get your problem solved a little bit quicker. If you have any tips on how you deal with service, leave them in the comments below. Remember, every Tuesday we put out a 2-minute video with a tip of the week. Please join us next Tuesday. Have a great week, everybody.